Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We have to simplify root 75 minus 3 all over root 3 plus 1, leaving our answers in the form of a plus b root c, where a, b, and c are rational numbers, right? So let's look at the solution to this problem. Okay, look at the solution. So here is a fraction that we need to simplify, right? So minus 3. So this divided by what? Divided by 3 plus 1. Okay. So if you look at this root 75 on its own, you realize that we can further simplify this root 75, right? Before even continue this particular exercise. All right. So our root 75. So you can break it down here. Root 75 will same thing as what? That will same thing as 25 multiplied by 3, right? All in the same one, the same roots. So this will be same as root 25 multiplied by root 3. Is that also so root 25 is same thing as 5 multiplied by root 3, so that will 5 root 3. Okay. So this implies that our root 75 will be 5 root 3 minus what? Minus 3 all over root 3 plus 1. Okay, now you see before we've broken root 75 into what? Into 5 root 3, right? So we are now what? We are now going to simplify this, right? So our denominator is root 3 plus 1. So for us to simplify this, we need to multiply this numerator and this denominator by the conjugate of this root 3 plus 1, right? And what is the conjugate of what? What is the conjugate of 3 plus 1? So the conjugate of 3 plus 1 will be equal to root 3 minus 1. That's what these are conjugates. You know, they are uh, conjugates, right? So they are conjugates, right? So fine now. So this root 3 minus 1 will be multiplied by this numerator and as well as this denominator, right? So that means we are going to proceed by having what root 3 minus 1 all over what? All over root 3 minus 1 again. Okay, now here we are multiplying, right? So you have your 5 root 3 here, 5 root 3, right? So minus 3, close bracket, open bracket, root 3 minus 1, right? Divided by, here you have root 3 plus 1, close the bracket, open bracket. So this will be root 3 minus 1, right? So what is going on, right? So that means, yeah, 5 root 3, we use 5 root 3 to multiply this root 3 and also by this minus 1 as well. So, and secondly, we use this minus 3 to multiply root 3 and also minus 1 in order to expand this particular bracket, right? And if you look at the denominator here, right? So you see, if you check very well, this is what this is root 3, this is root 3, and this is 1, and you have plus here, you have minus here. This will take the shapes of difference of 2 square, right? So this takes what? This takes the shape of difference of 2 square. And what is 2 square? So it means that 2 square is what? Difference of 2 square is, let's say, if you have a minus b, a square minus b square is same thing as what? A plus b, close bracket, open bracket, a minus b. This is one of the algebraic identities called difference of what? Of 2 square. If you look at this pattern, it's very similar to this. So we can apply this to this particular denominator without wasting much of our time, right? So now let's proceed. So this now implies that 5 root 3 multiplied by root 3 will be 5, have it here, 5 root 3 multiplied by root 3, right? Okay, and 5 root 3 multiplied by minus 1 give us minus 5 root 3, right? Okay, secondly, minus 3 multiplied by root 3 will give us minus 3 root 3, right? And minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 give us plus 3, right? So all over. So here now, you see, here we can simply say this is root 3 all square minus 1 square. So it is same thing as what? It is same thing as that, right? Okay, so now how what we have here, we have 3 all square minus 1 square, right? So this will now implies that, okay, so 5 multiplied by 5 root 3 multiplied by root 3, right? If you check here, this is root 3 multiplying root 3, right? So root 3 multiplied by root 3 is same thing as what? Is same thing as 3. If you recall what? If you recall one of the surd rule that says that if you have root a multiplying root a is same thing as a, right? Okay, that means here you now have 5 into bracket of bracket 3, because root 3 multiplied by root 3 will give us 3, right? So minus here we have 5 root what? 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 3, right? Everything now divide by what? Here, your square will cancel what? Will cancel this square root, right? You have 3 minus what? 1 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is something else 1. Okay? So now, here we are what? We are having 5 in what? 5 multiplying 3, right? So that will be 15, right? And here you have minus what? Minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. So since what, since you are having what you are having the same way, the same time here, which is what? Which is root 3. So you can add this together, right? So by adding that, you have what? You have minus what? That will be minus 8, right? Minus 8 root 3 and plus 3 at the end, right? Divided by 3 minus 1, right? So that will now also implies that here we have what? We have 15 minus what? Minus 8 root what? Root 3 plus 3 all over what? All over 3 minus 2, sorry, 3 minus 1, which is 2, right? Okay, so this now means that, okay, we will, we will simplify this furthermore, right? So 15 plus 3 will give us what? Give us 18 minus 8 root 3 divided by 2, right? And this will be equal to what? Right? If you look at this, so we can factor 2 out here. 2 in bracket what? Into bracket 9 minus 4, right? 2 multiplied by what? 2 multiplied by, you say 2 multiplied by 9 will give you 18, right? Minus, 2 multiplied by 4 will give you this 8, right? So 4, you now have 4 root 3, you now close the bracket, divided by 2. Now 2 will cancel 2, right? So what is now left behind is 9 minus what? Minus 4 root 3. And this is what? This is the answer, right? This is the final answer to this problem, right? It is 9 minus 4 root 3. Thank you very much for watching.